So we actually mentioned processes before. This is one of the advantages of having an operating system is that you can execute multiple processes, multiple programs at the same time. A process is the execution of a program. So if I start a program, I've started a process. A process is basically a runtime instance of a program. So Linux allows multiple processes to run concurrently. Now, remember I said not really concurrently, but it's swapping them in and out so fast that to a user it looks like it's concurrent. You can have a foreground process, one that's running in the foreground that the human is interacting with, and then the rest of the processes are background processes that run in the background. They're useful. Having multiple processes running in the background is immensely useful. So the machine can be taking care of all these things that you take for granted while you're not doing it. So while you're doing your word processing or whatever it is, the machine can be grabbing your email from an email server, downloading a file for you in the background, waiting for network connections. Maybe you got like a server running on your machine, it's waiting for connection. Checking for viruses, right? Your virus checking machine. It can be searching your drive, checking for viruses while you're doing whatever you're doing. So there are lots of different reasons why you have these background processes. Actually, the operating system, Linux and Unix really, they call these background processes daemons a lot of the time because they're sort of lurking in the background doing things for you, right? So you've got these daemons that are just running essential tasks in the background while you work. So in Linux, if you want to view a process, you use a command called ps. ps, we're seeing the output of ps right here. Now, ps, actually this is ps, I've given it an A option. A is for all. So ps by default, if you just type ps, it'll give you the processes that started from that shell, from the current shell, from the current user, right? Which is a short list. Actually, in this case, I just see the shell itself and maybe the ps function itself. But if I want to see every process running on the machine, I can type PSA, and this is just a subset of them. It's a very long list, but you can see each row is a different process. The leftmost column is a process ID number, so every process gets a unique ID number. And you can see that unique ID number on the left. Kill can be used to kill a process, so you can type kill and give its process ID number and kill the process. And this is useful a lot because you can you can kill a job that's having a problem, right? So say your browser is locked up. You can open a terminal window, type PSA, see all your processes, and then kill the process that's devoted to the browser. And it'll kill that browser, and everything else will still keep running. So kill's useful. Shutdown's another command that you should use. So shutdown, basically, whenever you have a Linux box, you shouldn't just unplug it all of a sudden. You should shut it down properly. Proper shutdown procedures need to set data structures, maintain certain data structures in the operating system. Flush buffers, close files, things like this. So you don't shut down a Linux machine, you don't just unplug it, you shut it down. So all you do is just type shutdown at the command prompt, and that shuts it down. And then it'll do all its shutdown stuff, and it'll power it down. Thank you.